Hello, it's Cassie here with Trinity Stamps, and I'm happy to be sharing a product release video for the Autumn Impressions release. Today we are going to be taking a closer look at the brand new Oak Leaf Mini Slimline standalone die set. This mini slimline die panel features 3 oak leaf shaped windows, a double embossed outside edge, and a stitching detail on the outside of the leaf windows. Use the panel for the windows alone or inlay the oak leaves for an elegant look. The panel measures 3 inches by 6 inches, and cut out, the oak leaves measure about 1.3 inches by 2.4 inches. And I'm trying to show you in a closer look here how that is. There are basically 2 pieces to this oak on the inside. You could have 2 little outlines. I didn't pull them all out, but I did save all of my pieces, and I do have a project to share with you. I love that embossed edge. It just gives so much class, and that uses one of the oak inlays that you can see there. But such fun fall projects. So let's go ahead and take a look at the other projects that the rest of the design team made. Check out the Trinity Stamps blog, Facebook page, and Instagram for more crafty inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day.